I've already gone ahead and I've put the stator back plate on and the trigger coil. Same basic principle goes for the back plate here as the stator. You got your 3 bolts, medium strength Loctite, not a ton of torque. The wires for both the trigger coil and the stator are routed behind the plate. It kind of hooks in. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so just gonna move it a little bit here and put a bit of a torque. I've got this my handy torque wrench here. Not a lot of torque on there. It wasn't really anything written in the book that I could find, but I'm gonna guess that it was probably somewhere between maybe 16 to 20 inch-pounds. Not a lot of torque. Wouldn't really want to cause any damage to the bolts or the stator. Just can't find them too easily for these sleds for a decent enough price anyway. Alright, so this is just a bearing retainer Loctite. Got to make sure the surfaces are clean. I've already kind of done that. Obviously, before you put this on there, you'd put the key in, but I never actually removed it. It wasn't important. But if you're going to do the key, you need to install it using, I think it's a blue Loctite, if my memory serves correctly. This part's kind of weird. The book suggests that you use the same bearing retainer Loctite for the nut. Kind of peculiar, if you ask me, but whatever. The book says what it wants, it gets what it wants, I guess. Alright, and then you torque that sucker down to 77 foot-pounds. At least the book had that torque. Just frickin' sending it. And just clean off a little bit of the residue left behind. Alright, here's a little excerpt. Pause if you want. Get a good look at it. Whenever you do the flywheel or trigger coil, it needs to be adjusted, gap-wise. I'm not going to spend too much time on that because soon I'll have the page coming up describing its installation, and quite frankly, it's kind of pointless to do this at this time because it'll need to be, timing will have to be adjusted. So here's the excerpt. Enjoy.